proportionality theorem
Sir, it
discussed.
is like if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will be intersecting the other two sides
In equal ratio.
and the
Very good.
in equal ratio.
Very good. Very good. So once more, I will discuss this. Uh, okay. So now see, this is the triangle we have, and what we have done in the last class, we have the triangle ABC, and this line DE is parallel. This line DE is parallel to this BC. So we have to prove AD divided by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. This we have to prove. Now, to prove this, we will calculate the area of triangle. For that, first you should know what is the formula of area of triangle. Okay, what is the formula of area of triangle? You should know. Suppose if you have a triangle like this, so how you will calculate the area of the triangle? This is your altitude or height, and this is your suppose base. Small b is the base. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. What does this height means? This will be perpendicular to the base. Suppose if you have a triangle like this, if you have a triangle like this is the triangle you have. Okay, so suppose this side is A, this point is A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay, so I am saying this AB is the base of the triangle. AB is the base of the triangle. Then in that case, how we will calculate the area of this triangle? Because we have base, but we do not have height. Okay, AC is not the height of the triangle. What is the condition for the height? That height must be perpendicular to the base. So what we will do, we will just extend the base. What we will do, we will this is the base na AB. So I will extend this, and now accordingly I will draw the perpendicular. So this, suppose this is perpendicular here, this point M. So you can say now this CM is perpendicular to AB. This CM is perpendicular to AB. So what will be the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle here, half base is B, hypotenuse, not hypotenuse, height is MC. Okay, this MC, suppose this MC, I am supposing H. So this is MC. So this concept, the area of the triangle concept, we will use here, and we will prove that. If you do not know to calculate the area of this type of triangle, then we cannot prove this. Okay, so write this in some corner. So first, what I have done, join DC and VE, DC and VE, and draw EN perpendicular to AD and DM perpendicular to AE. Okay, this EN is perpendicular to AD, and this DM is perpendicular to AE. Now first I will calculate the area of triangle ADE. ADE. And suppose I am watching this triangle from this side. Okay, so area of triangle ADE. Formula of area of triangle. See the triangle ADE. Okay. We have this height. We have this height, and this height will be perpendicular to the base. This is the height, and this is the base. This is the height EN. Height should be perpendicular to the. I can also say that area of triangle can be this. This can be the base of the triangle, but you should have the height from A point to this point. But we have the height from this, from E point to this AD. Okay, this height EN is perpendicular to AD. Suppose if I have some height like this height suppose I have, okay, and this is the perpendicular. So I can also calculate the area of triangle ADE. Half, this time your base will become DE. This base will become DE because this is the perpendicular on which line the perpendicular is falling is base. This is DE multiplied by height means AD. So you can suppose this is O, so AO. Okay, so this can be also the formula of the triangle. Now, area of triangle ADE will be half into base into height. Half base is AD, height is EN. Okay. Now, suppose you are watching the triangle from this side. Okay. So again, you will calculate the area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. Again, you will apply half into base into height, but this base and height will change now. This can be the base also AE, and this can be the height also DM. So you can write half into AE into DM. Okay. Now we will calculate the area of this triangle DEB. 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 Formula will remain same, half into base into height. We will see what is base, what is height here in this triangle. Half, what is base? Base is this. We are calculating the area of triangle DEB. Focus on this triangle DEB. So this is the base of the triangle, this. If I am considering this as a base, okay. This is the base BD. What is height? What is height, Azaan? A line which is perpendicular to DB will be the height. So this DB, when you will extend this BD, this will be the perpendicular to base EN. EN. Now we will calculate the area of this triangle DEC. Area of triangle. This is one triangle DEB. Another triangle is DEC. Half into base into height. Half. What is base for this? This triangle. See, the perpendicular is this. Okay, this is the perpendicular. This
BC.
yeah. EC will be the base, na? This will be the base, and when you will extend this EC, this will be the perpendicular. Okay, so EC will be the base. And height will be DM, because this DM is perpendicular to this EC also. So DM. Now we will take the ratio of this area and this area, ratio of this area and this area. Okay. So take the ratio of this area and this area. So ratio of this area and this area means we will divide this area with this area. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEB is equal to, this half and half will be cancelled out. This half and half will be cancelled out, and this EN and EN will be cancelled out. Is it or not? Azaan?
Yes, sir.
Here will be only AD divided by BD. Can I write directly, na?
Yes,
AD
sir.
divided by BD. Okay, this is your equation number 1. Suppose. Now divide this area with this area. So area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC. DEC. So again here, when you will divide this by this half and half will be cancelled out, and this DM and DM will be cancelled out. So you will have AE by EC. You will have AE by EC. Suppose this is equation number. Now what we will do? Actually, we want to prove this AD by BD, AE by EC. AD by BD, AE by EC. This we want to prove. So there is one property that you should know. There is one property of triangle that you should know. Suppose here is one line, okay, and this is one triangle. This is another triangle. So suppose this is the triangle A, B, and C, and this is the triangle DBC. So if this is the condition, means two triangles having same base and have same parallel. Triangles having same base and same parallel have equal areas. So here you can write one statement. Triangles on same base that is, here is BC is the base. Triangle on same base and between same parallel have equal areas. Means you can say area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DBC. So keep in mind this point. Okay, keep in mind. So now we will apply this condition here and we will see. See, these are the triangle, no? These are the triangle. DE is parallel to BC. Here also this AD is parallel to BC. Okay. Mean here are two triangles. One triangle is DEB, another is DEC. So see, you can see here, this is the base of the triangle, this is the base, this can also be the base of the triangle na? This is the base, but this can also be the base of the triangle if you are drawing a perpendicular from this base to this point. Okay, so this is the base of the triangle. And this is the parallel, BC is the parallel. So two here also two triangles have same base, and they are in between two parallel. One parallel line is this, another is this. So means both the triangle have equal area. So means this triangle DEB have equal area with triangle EBC. So DEB have equal area with DEC. Okay, DEC means this triangle. So you can say, so we can say area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC, D, E and C. So now see, this area is equal to this area. This area and this area, both areas are equal. And this is this area is also equal to this area, because this is again area of triangle ADE. This is also area of triangle ADE. Means you can say the left hand side of equation 1 is equal to the left hand side of equation number 2. If left hand side of both the equations are equal, then right hand side of both the equations will be also equal. So you can say left LHS means left hand side of equation 1 and 2 is equal. So you can say right hand side of equation 1 and 2 must be equal. So right hand side of equation number 1, AD divided by BD. AD divided by BD is equal to AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC na? EC. Now check this. AD DB AE EC. AD DB AE EC. DB and BD same thing. So this is the proof. So you can write here, hence proved. Okay, Azaan, note down. That day, have you completed this part? This?
No, sir.
Okay, so this statement, have you written the statement in the last class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just you can copy from here if you have not written. Question maybe appear in your exam that prove the basic proportionality theorem. Azan, should I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Write this also. Done?
No, sir. One.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So there is one more theorem, 6.2, that is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. We'll use basic proportionality theorem to prove converse of basic proportionality theorem. So see what is that. So according to converse of basic proportionality theorem, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Means suppose you have triangle, this triangle you have, and if a line, any random line, if you draw a line, suppose this is the triangle ABC, and you have drawn a line, you don't know whether this line is parallel to BC or not, or parallel to any side or not. And if this line divides at point D, divides AB at D and AC at E, in the ratio AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC, then 100% this DE line will be parallel to BC. Then you can say this DE line is parallel to BC. This is the statement. If you draw a line which is parallel to one of the side of the triangle, not one of the parallel, means if you draw a line and that line divides the two sides of the triangle in the equal ratio, then this line will always parallel to the third side. Okay, so this is the condition. So now we have to prove that this DE is parallel to BC, and this will be the given condition. This will be the given condition. So proof. What is given? This we know, na? This we already know. If this ratio is followed, then this line will be parallel. So this is given. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Or what we have to prove? To prove DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC, this we have to prove. So I am just supposing here is some line like this, and suppose this point is E dash, E dash, and suppose this DE dash is parallel to BC. Suppose this DE dash is parallel to BC. So if this DE dash is parallel to BC, then you can say AD divided by DB is equal to AE dash divided by E dash C. So you can say AD divided by DB is equal to AE dash is divided by E dash C from BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now suppose this is your equation number second and this is your equation number first. See here, this left hand side is equal to left hand side of equation number second. Left hand side of equation 1 is equal to the left hand side of equation number 2. Means this right hand side should be equal to the right hand side of equation number 2. So from this we can conclude that E dash and E will coincide. Coincide means this E dash is here. This E dash will be here according to this equation number 1 and according to the equation number 2. This E dash must be at E. This E dash must be at E. This will be like this. Suppose this is your AC. This is your suppose AC. What is AC? This is your AC. And here is E and here is also E dash. Okay. So you can say this DE will be parallel to BC. If this is coinciding this this E dash is coinciding E, means this DE dash is parallel to BC. Okay. So you can say this DE will be parallel to BC. So we can say this DE will be parallel to BC. Okay, one question. This is converse of basic proportionality theorem, proof of converse of basic proportionality theorem. See here, if this E will coincide this E, we know that this DE parallel to BC because from this ratio. Okay. Here is some no, from this is the ratio given, na? This is the ratio given, but we know that this E dash is coinciding this E. This E dash is coinciding this E. So we can say this DE must be parallel to BC because we have just assumed here this E dash is parallel to BC. We have assumed this DE dash is parallel to BC, but this E dash is coinciding with E. So you can say this DE will be parallel to BC. First question. This question. Now see this question. Example number 1 of NCERT. If a line intersect AB If a line intersect AB, this is AB. See this figure. Figure is given. If a line intersect AB, in 2 minutes we can solve this question. 2 minutes. If a line AB is intersecting at D and AC at E, given respectively, and parallel to BC, and this D is parallel to BC. This DE is parallel to BC. Then we have to prove AD by AB, AD divided by AB, AE divided by AC, AE divided by EC, AE not EC, AE divided by AC. We have to prove. So we know that this DE is parallel to BC, given this DE is parallel to which side? BC. So I can say from the BPT AD divided by DB, AD divided by DB is equal to AE. See the triangle AE divided by EC. If this DE is parallel to BC, so this will be EC from BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now reverse this equation. Reverse this. Write reciprocal in the reciprocal form. This will become DB divided by AD. Here also do the reciprocal. This will become EC divided by AE. Now add 1 on both sides. This will become DB by AD plus 1. This will become EC by AE. When you are adding plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 on left hand side and the same number on the right hand side, there will be no effect on the equation. If you are reciprocaling, if you are doing the reciprocal on both the side, left hand side and right hand side, there will be no effect. Suppose this is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Okay. So this thing is equal to this thing. Now do the reciprocal. This will become 2. This will become 4 by 2. So this 4 by 2 is again 2. Okay. So there will be no effect. So that is why I have done the reciprocal of this, and I have at the same time I have done the reciprocal of this, and I have added 1 in this, and I have added 1 in this. So now take the LCM here. Here LCM will be AD, and this will be DB plus AD. DB plus AD is equal to, take the LCM AE. This will become EC plus AE, EC plus AE, EC plus AE. Now what is DB plus AD? DB plus AD. This DB plus AD. This is equal to AB. So I can write AB divided by AD. Now EC plus AE. EC plus AE. EC plus AE means AC. So this is AC. AC by AE. Then again take the reciprocal. This will become AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC, and check the answer. ADAB AEAC. ADAB AEAC. Finish. Triangle chapter is very easy. Note down. Just a minute. Okay, note down this. अजान समझ में आया आपके?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now note down this. Then you can skip the question because I have taken this question from the NCRT example number 1 from chapter
Okay, sir.
number 6. Okay, you can only write the answer, but write there NCRT example number 1 of chapter number 6.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Or you can write chapter triangle. Write down only solution. Done, Azan? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will meet in the next class and please send me the pictures